my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. If you're new here, guys, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, welcome back, loves. Okay, so I'm Diva Decorating, and what I have for you today, I am doing a sponsored unboxing video, and it's for BeeBeeCraft. And what BeeBeeCraft is, they're an online store, and they sell high quality craft making supplies and kits, jewelry beads, tools and supplies, sewing, knitting, crafting materials, findings, string materials, anything you need for crafting, they have it, guys. They have so many things to choose from. Okay, so I will make sure that I will leave BeeBeeCraft's link down in my description box, and also the products that I receive, I will also link that down in the box for you too. Okay, so if you're interested in getting into BeeBeeCraft YouTube program, you can get free products for doing videos, and all you need to do is have more than 100 subscribers. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing so I can show you guys what I got. Okay, now this is how it came. It came in this bag right here, and I did open it, but I didn't open the items that were inside. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it from the bag, and this is how it came in the bag. And as you can see, it came in bubble wrap like this. I'm going to just get my scissors and I'm going to tear into it. Guys, do y'all like saving the bubble wrap and popping it? I mean, is that something that you guys do? Because I love to pop these bubble wraps. It is so therapeutic, and I don't know, it just seems relaxing to do it. So does anyone else do that? Me and my daughter do that. We'll be fighting over the bubble wrap. Okay, so let me show you this first. Oh wow, it's very nicely packed, that's for sure. Look at all that glam, guys. Y'all can see that glam before I even get it out the bag. Okay, let me see if I can get it in here. Okay, so I can't get in it, so I'm going to cut it open. But it is in a sealable bag, and I just can't get in it because of my nails, guys. That's all. Ooh, and I have the gold here, and let me see. It is wrapped in some rubber band. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is beautiful. And as you can see, it's in a roll. And I'm going to look here and tell you exactly what this is. This is the Arricraft 4 rolls. Yeah, I have 4 rolls of them. And it's 16-inch rolls, resin Hotfix, and it's $14.79. Guys, when I saw this, I was like, I gotta have this. I have seen some other YouTubers with the silver, but I have never seen anyone with the gold, so I wanted both, and it all came in 4 rolls. So I am so excited to have this. As you can see, this is the silver one. Get the rubber band off of it. Here we go. And I'm gonna roll that. Oh my goodness, look at all that. I don't know if you can actually see that, but look at all that bling. Oh my. I have my ring light on, so it should be showing it sparkling. But this is so beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. And guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I am going to be doing a glam item that I'm going to do a video on. Probably be as soon as next week, so make sure that you look out for that. So I got the 4 rolls of that, and let's see what else it is here. And this one I can get open. And this is 2 rolls in here, and this is, let's see, this is the Benecreat 2 rolls, 2mm crystal rhinestone, close chain, clear trimming. Okay, so I have seen this a lot, and I can't wait to use this as well. I'm going to cut open this. This is 10 yards, as you can see right there. And I definitely know what I'm going to do with this, so I already have a project in mind that I'm going to do with this. It is securely wrapped, that's for sure. It comes on the roll like that, and I think it still has another plastic cover on it. Let me work with it for a minute, guys. It is definitely clearly wrapped real nicely. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Can you see that sparkle, guys? Look at that. This is beautiful. It's just like a chain, and it's on this roll. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You can see the sparkle. I can do so many projects with this, but I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. Okay, and this is the second roll, and it's the same thing, only it's in a silver. That's all, it's just in a silver. And the same thing, it has the wrap on it. I want to show you guys. There we go. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So pretty. And as I said, I think this is the 2mm. Okay, so it's very thin. Very thin. Okay. And we have one more item. Oh, I didn't get the paper out first to show you guys, but I will show you that in a moment. Momentarily. How you guys doing today? I mean, is everything going all right? Are you practicing social distancing? I know I say that all the time, but guys, this is in the world that we're living in today, so you have to be mindful of staying safe and staying healthy. And I care about you guys out there. I really hope that you are doing that. Hope your families is safe and healthy. Okay, look at this, guys. Now this is the 3mm, and it's still by Benecreat. Benecreat, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It is so beautiful. I'm loving this, guys. I can't wait to use this. And I'm going to bring you guys along with me when I do this project. Like I said, as soon as next week, I will be doing something with this. Okay. So that's how that looks. And this is a big roll. It feels heavy, guys. I mean, it's a lot on this roll. Okay, let's see what the paper said. I went backwards. I did the items first and then the paper. Okay, this is just my packing list, and it just tells me what I got. Okay, that's all. So guys, that's everything I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go down in my description box and I will give you all the info if you would like to get in this program, and if you would like to get some items like this, or if you are into sewing or beads or anything like that, you can get this as well. Okay, so guys, that is it. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your family and your friends, guys. Until next time, loves. Bye-bye.